Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for standard 5. Okay. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and give a thumbs up. Okay. So let us start with today's lesson. Okay. So in the last lesson we have seen exercise 3.4, example number 1. Divide the following and check your answer. Okay. Next is word problems. Okay. So our first word problem is a crowd of 23,214 people visited the cricket stadium to watch a match. If there are 53 stands in the stadium, how many people were there in each stand? Okay. So here first of all we need to read the example carefully. A crowd of 23,214 people visited the cricket stadium. Okay, there is a cricket stadium in which the crowd turned up in huge numbers. Okay, that is 23,214 people. Okay, if there are 53 stands in the stadium, so there are total 53 stands in the stadium. Then how many people were there in each stand? In each stand, in one stand, how many people were there? Okay, this we have to find out. Okay, first of all, you have to read the example carefully and then you have to circle the values which are being given in the example. Okay, so we are having two values. Okay, first is that is 23,214 and 53. So these are the two values. Okay, so there is a simple logic to solve such word problems which are based on division. Okay, so see the values, the bigger value will be your dividend and the smaller value will be your divisor. Okay, so this is the simple logic. Okay, so let us start. So a crowd of 23,214 people visited the cricket stadium. Okay, and there are 53 stands. Okay, so now you have to find out how many people were there in each stand. Each stand is what? One stand. Okay, so this is the example which is given to us. Now we will solve this example. Okay, so for that we need to write the example as first value is 23,214 and next value is 53. Okay, so the bigger value will be your dividend and the smaller value will be your divisor. Okay, now we need to write down the table of 53. For that, what do we need to do? We need to make the table of 53. 53 can be written as 50 plus 3. So write down the table of 5, put 1 0, then plus, write down the table of 3, then add them together. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Put 1 0 because it's table of 50, not table of 5. Then plus, write in the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 times are 30. Okay, 50 plus 3 is 53. 100 plus 6, that is 106. Next is 150 plus 9, 159. 200 plus 12, that is 212. 250 plus 15, that is 5, 6 and 2, 265. Next is 300 plus 18, 318. Next is 350 plus 21, that is 371. Okay. Next is 400 plus 24, that is 424. Next is 450 plus 27, that is 477. Okay. Next is 500 plus 30, that is 530. So this is our table of 53. Okay. So now first of all we will select 2 digits because we are having 2 digits in our divisor. Okay. But 23 is less than 53. So we need to select 3 digits. Okay. So 232 we have to see where is 232. So 232 will come here in between 212 and 265. Okay. So we will not select this greater number, we will go with the smaller number, that is 1za, 2za, 3za and 4za. Okay. So it is 4za. 53 4za, we are having 212. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is again 0. Bring this one down, 201. So 201 will come here in between 159 and 212. So here comes 201. So we are having 2 choices with us, that is 159 or 212. So here 212 is greater than 201, so we cannot take this value. We will go with the smaller value, that is 159. 1za, 2za and 3za. So 59 3za is 53. 3za is 159. Okay. So can we subtract 9 from 1? No, we cannot subtract 9 from 1. Can you borrow from 0? No, we cannot borrow from 0. So we will have to borrow from here. This will become 1, this will become 10. Again this will become 9, this will become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next is 4. Bring it down. That is 424. Where is 424? So we are having here, we got the exact value 424. That is 1za, 2za, 3za, 4za, 5za, 6za, 7za, 8za. Okay. So 53 8za. 53 8za is 424. That is 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is our remainder. This is our question. So we got our answer. This will be our answer. Okay. So we can write. There are 438 people in each stand. Okay. So this is how we will solve this example. Okay. So there are 438 people in each stand. In one stand there are 438 people. Okay. So our next example is example number 3. The product of two numbers is 83,524. Okay. If one of the numbers is 157, then find the other. Okay. So here we read the example carefully. The product means multiplication of two numbers. There are two numbers. Okay. And the multiplication of those numbers is 83,524. If one of the number is 157. Okay, if one of the number is 157, then find the other number. Okay, so here what is given to us? The product of two numbers. Is 83,524, and from that one number is given to us, that is 157, and the other number we have to find it out. So this is like this: 157 multiplied by a certain number, it gives us 83,524. So how we will find out this number, okay, which is unknown to us? So this is simple. This 157 is in multiplication. On the left hand side it will go, in the right hand side it will be divided. So this will be what? 83,524 divided by 157. So this is simple. Okay, this will be your dividend and this will be your divisor. Okay, so let us start. So our dividend is 157, our divisor is 83,524. So first of all we need to write out table of 157. For that we will split this as 100 plus 50 plus 7. In expanded form you have to write 100 plus 50 plus 7. So first we will write down the table of 100, then we will write down the table of 50 and 7. Then we will add them together. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000 plus table of 50, 100, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, put one 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0 plus table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63 and 7 10 is 70. Add it. Plus, 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 plus. Okay, now we will do total. Okay, that is 7 plus 0 plus 0, that is 7. 5 plus 0, that is 5, and 1. This is 157. Next is 200 plus 100 plus 14. Okay, this is 4 0 0, that is 4. 1 1 1 0 0, that is 1. Okay, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, next is 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 0, that is 7. Okay, 1 plus 3, that is 4. This is 471. Next is 8 plus 0 plus 0, that is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. Okay, 2 plus 4, that is 6. 628. Next is 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Plus 0. 3 plus 5 plus 0, that is 8. And 2 plus 5, that is 7. This is 785. Next is 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. 4 plus 0 plus 0, that is 4. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Next is 9 plus 0 plus 0, that is 9. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 0, that is 9 again. And 3 plus 7, that is 10. Okay, this is 10, 99. Next, 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. And 4 plus 8, that is 12. Next, 3 plus 0 plus 0, that is 3. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, that is 14. Okay, and last is what? 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 7 plus 0 plus 0, that is 7. 5 plus 0, that is 5. And 1. So this is table of 157. So our table of 157 is ready. Okay, this is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s and 10s. Okay, once you can make the table, then it's very easy for you. Okay, there is nothing left in the division. Okay, just you have to put up the values and then you have to do subtraction. Okay, so here we will start with our example. So 157, select, there are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. We will select 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 835 is our required dividend. Where is 835? 835 will come here. Okay, 835. It will come in between 785 and 942. So we cannot go with the bigger number, we have to go with the smaller number. Okay, so we will take this number 785, that is 1 za, 2 za, 3 za, 4 za and 5 za. Okay, so 5 za, 157 5 za is what? 785. 785. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. Can you subtract 8 from 3? No. This will become 7. This will become 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. Okay, 7 minus 7 is 0. Bring this 2 down. Now our required dividend is 502. Where is 502? 502 will come here. Okay, in between 471 and 628. Okay, so as usual, there are two choices with us. One greater number and one smaller number. So we will not take the greater number, we will choose the smaller number, that is 471. That is 157 3 za. 157 3 za, that is 471. Subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. Can you subtract 7 from 0? No. This will become 4. This will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring this 4 down. Okay. So it is 314. So our required dividend is 314. Where is 314? We got the exact value. Here it is. Okay. That is 2 za. 157 2 za. 157 2 za. That is 314. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So we got the answer as 532. Okay. So we can write 157 multiplied by 532, that is equal to 83524. Okay. So we can write the other number is 532. Okay. So this is our answer. Okay. Number 3. So our next example is example number 4. How many books of 227 pages each can be printed using 39,271 sheets of paper? Okay, so here we are having two values. This is the smaller value, this will be your divisor, and here we are having the bigger value, this will be your dividend. Okay, so how many books of 227 pages? So here what we have been given is solution, that is one book of page 227, okay, contains 227 pages. Okay, so now how many books can be made by using total sheets 39,271 pages? Okay, so this is our question. Okay, if one book contains 227 pages, okay, then how many books can be made by using 39,271 sheets of paper? Okay, so this is what total number of sheets. Okay, so here we are having two values. This is the smaller value, that is the bigger value. So smaller value will be your divisor and bigger value will be your dividend. Okay, so always keep in mind that the smaller value is written outside and the bigger value is written inside, that is 39,271. So here for solving this example we need to write down the table of 227. Okay, so 227 we will write like this. We will split it in expanded form. This will be what? 200 plus 20 plus 7. So we need to write down the table of 2, then put 2 zeros, table of 2, put 1 0, table of 7, add them together. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, then you are having 16, 18 and 20. Put 2 zeros, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, plus again 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16, 18 and 20. Put 1 0, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Put 1 0. Okay. Then plus table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70, and add them together. Okay, now we will add. 7 plus 0 plus 0, that is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2, this is 227. 4 plus 0 plus 0, that is 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, and 4. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. 2 plus 6, that is 8. Okay, plus 0 and 6, that is 681. 8 plus 0 plus 0, that is 8. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 0, that is 10. 1 carry, this will be 9. 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. Okay, 3 plus 0 plus 0, that is 3. Okay, then we are having 0 and 1. Okay, 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 0, that is 6. Okay, 1 plus 2, that is 3 and 1. 9 plus 0 plus 0, that is 9. 4 plus 4, that is 8. Okay, then we are having 1 plus 4, that is 5 and 1. Okay, 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 1. 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8 and 1. Okay, 3 plus 0 plus 0, that is 3. 6 plus 8, that is 14. 4. 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 8, 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. And last example is 0 0 0, that is 0. 7 plus 0 plus 0, that is 7. 2 plus 0, that is 2 and 2. So this is our table of 227. Now we will solve the example. Okay. So first of all, we will select 3 digits because we are having 1, 2, 3 digits in the divisor. So we will select 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Where is 392? 392 is here. Okay. 392 in between 227 and 454. So we are having two choices with us, 454 and 227. So we cannot take this number. We will go with this number. Okay. So it is 1s. 227 1s 227. Okay. So can we subtract 7 from 2? No. This will become 8. This will become 12. 12 minus 7 is what? 5. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring this 7 down. Okay, now we are having 1657. Where is 1657? 1657 will come here in between 1589 and 1816. So 1816 is greater number, we cannot take. Okay, it's bigger than this number. So we have to go with the smaller number, that is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 7s. So this will be 7s. Okay, 7s 1589. 8 9. Okay, subtract. Can you subtract 9 from 7? No. This will become 4. This will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Can you subtract 8 from 4? No. This will become 5. This will become 14. 14 minus 8 is what? 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring this one down. 681. So here we are having 681 as exact value. That is 1s, 2s and 3s. So this will be 227 3s. 227 3s is what? 681. 81. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So our answer is this one. Okay. This will be your remainder. This will be your quotient. So here your answer is your quotient. Okay. So what we can write is that 173 books of 2 to 7 pages each can be printed using 39271 sheets of paper. Okay, so this is your final answer.